fà ó ní pé Aduke jẹ́ nǹkan tó yẹ pé kò fẹ́ sọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ síta tí nǹkan bá ń ṣe kò fẹ́ sọ síta nítorí àwọn èèyàn lè má sọ̀rọ̀ yìí because me I will say it because sometimes tí nǹkan bá ń ṣe ó máa ń pa mọ́ra á wò pé òun máa sort ẹ̀ fún ara wọn. Yeah, me I don't want to.
For somebody did not contact you just said that she's somebody who like.
Yeah, she like keeping to so many things. Yeah. Yeah, she might still be alive because when you anything that is going on with you, you tell your friend or you tell your colleagues, you tell your band member. Yeah. If you have anything that is going on with you, please speak up. Tell anybody. You understand? So then I try then to man sọ fún wa pé nǹkan bá ń show but to state pé only boyfriend, we have to step back because we can't intervene. Yeah, because of the relationship. So I step back. But auto time kan Aduke báwo ni kíni ẹ̀gbọ́n ẹ má worry. But I believe pé everything ó ti sort. Shey you understand? So she keep things to herself. Ó máa fẹ́ sort nǹkan fúnra rẹ̀ tó fi dé stage yìí because kò dùn mọ́ everybody nú. For a long time now we don't talk, but sometimes when we're online we talk online on live video. Yeah. Brother, I was in Igojayi, a location. This movie, Kule Afolayan, I was there. That don't pay me. Somebody called me around 2 a.m. I didn't pick the call because how can you call me at 2 a.m.? So I saw one of my friends, Shegun. He's part of the band, the PR. He called me yesterday. He went to UK. He called me that Sean, Alpha. Immediately, I started calling people. So I left the Igojayi. Continued to Mogowasi. I'm going back there on Monday. So it was so painful, and I don't even expect that from Aduke at all because what a try Ujiya ọmọ yẹn suffer I'm a lọ show tó bá dé láti show one man àwọn man bad and so I don't want to go deep because most of people know about this story. So
Aduke Gold wọ́n ti gbé jáde nínú mọ́tò yìí tí wọ́n sì ti ń gbé wọn bọ̀. Ìkànnì Big News Yorùbá ilẹ̀ tí wo fọ́nrán yìí. Wọ́n ti ṣe fún àǹfààní àwọn tó ń ṣe darapọ̀ mọ́ wa ìkànnì BBC Yorùbá ni a ti wo fọ́nrán yìí níbi tí wọ́n ti ń ṣe ìwọlá ìkẹyìn fún olóògbé Àdùkẹ́ Àjàyí ẹni tí ọ̀pọ̀ mọ̀ sí Aduke Gold. Bó bá ṣe ń lọ á tún máa mú wá sí etí àti fẹ́ bọ́ síbi tí wọ́n ti máa lọ ṣe àdúrà fún mọ̀lẹ́bí àtàwọn. Sọ̀rọ̀ díẹ̀ nípa olóògbé kílẹ̀ mọ̀ nípa wọn. Tí bá mi sọ ní èdè Yorùbá.
Mo mọ̀ wọ́n gẹ́gẹ́ bí olórin ẹ̀mí, ó dẹ̀ jẹ́ ẹni rẹ̀lẹ̀. Mo ti rí wọn ṣe díẹ̀ ní talk a little bit. Not that we are too close to them, but we have known each other. We have been hearing her even when it started. A ti mọ̀ wọ́n nígbà tí wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní kékeré láti bàbá àgbà tí bàbá àrà kú ní kíkàwé àpọ̀. And we know how to be àmọ́ gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹni tó ń àti ní tara pátákó láti tó tó